guys, how's it going? Let me introduce to you this it's gorgeous. This gorgeous and unique book that I saw at my local bookstore. The name of the bookstore is Book Sale, and it is my favorite bookshop because they sell a lot of books there. Commonly they're secondhand books. At times they also have books that look like as if they're fresh from the press, but their price are ridiculously affordable. And here we have a three-dimensional Edwardian dollhouse. Okay. And at first look, I thought that this was just your ordinary pop-up book. But then when I got home, because when I was at the bookstore, I was really in a hurry. But when I got home, I discovered that this is a unique and gorgeous book. Look at that, everyone. It is a dollhouse. I bought a dollhouse for only, oh my god, that's so cool, 160 pesos. The original price is 16.99 euros and 160 pesos. That's like how much? $4? Less than $4. Oh, no. Well, yeah, about that price, $4. And this is a gorgeous book. It has some no damages to it, but still, I bought it because look at it. Actually, when I got this, I was really in a hurry because it was like almost 10 p.m. and the bookstore closes at 10. And when I saw this, I've always wanted to have a good pop-up book. And when I saw this, I just took it and grabbed it and placed it in my arms. And here we have different rooms. Here we have, what's this? I think this is like this will be the first thing you will see if you go inside the house, this part. And if you go upstairs, here there's a little door, so cute. And if you go through that door, there will be, I think this is going to be the master's bedroom, because we have a husband and wife, I presume, and they have a cute cabinet. And below that is, I think this will be the music room or the living room, yeah, where the family would bond together inside their house. And we have another door here, and below we don't have a door, but we have a way to go to the next rooms. Okay, so behind the master's bedroom, presumably the master's bedroom, we have the comfort room or bathroom, and we have a cool toilet here. It's fairly small and by small I mean, no, it's fairly big for a bathroom with so many space in it and so little items inside. What do you do here? Why do you need so much space? And below is the dining area. And no person there. And this one, I think this is going to be the nursery room. Okay, we have here some cool items. And I think this is a doll, not a girl. I'm not sure. Or is it a little girl? I think that's a doll. Oh, she's a little girl. This is her big sister. And this is the doll, okay. And this is their dog. That's so cute. And here, the last room, we have the kitchen. And and on top of the roof, we have a cat. Can you see? Wait. There, we have a cat. And wait, all of the pieces fall down. Then let's open this up. And yeah, there it opens up. I'm going to show to you another side of the dollhouse so you'll see it in its other perspectives. And it has this ribbon so it won't close when you open it. This is so adorable, but I can't quite get the ribbon. It's hard because the book is pulling itself back together. I think this will be one of my most precious books, aside from my Tolkien collection. There, I got that one. This one, the last one. It's so hard. You see? Okay, I think that will do. Now I'm going to take the camera off the tripod so you'll see it in its other view. And here. It's so cute, right? Adorable. It's a dollhouse. And the last part, if I were still a child and someone gave this to me, I would be eternally grateful to that person. Though I have some doll houses right there below my cabinet, but they're tucked away because, well, they're not for me anymore. But this one, this is so adorable. This is like a display piece that even if you're an adult, you'll be able to appreciate it. There it is. Adorable. And I think this was made in 1995, the year that I was born. This is older as I am, and let me see who made this. Okay, or there. Okay, let's zoom in so that you will see. First of all, let's look at this. This 2-story, 8-room Carousel dollhouse. Ooh, it's a Carousel dollhouse. It's complete with pop-up furniture and a press-out doll family. Tie back the strings in the dollhouse stands on its own, revealing exquisite Edwardian details such as ceiling mirrors to grab. This dream house will provide hours of fun for those. Okay, let's skip that. And here, let's thank the illustrators. Illustrated by Brian and Lizzie Sanders. Designed by Suzanne Ferguson. Paper engineering by Bruce Rifle. Copyright 1995. Intervisual books. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And it is printed and bound in China. So there it is, guys. A 3-dimensional Edwardian dollhouse that I got for 160 pesos. And yeah, I'm totally going to display this soon, but as of now, as you can see, I have a lot of books that I need to place in this. I don't know where, maybe on this table. I don't know where to display this, and maybe if I get a little more room. So yeah, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.